What really started me to start a private school was when I was working at the after school program in the facility that I work in, and I noticed that kids were struggling. So, struggling on simple things as math and reading, and those are necessity things that kids have to have. And so, as I thought about it and kind of planned, talked to God about it, and put it in motion, and then it became a reality before I even knew it. I was able to reach out to them, and they helped me with my webpage. They helped me with my business plan. They helped me to solicit how or what kind of staff along the way, what I was looking for and what I needed, because they were there to help me with my vision, but with the background to give me that extra source of information. When I first started out, we were doing kindergarten through 5th grade. School has now grown, and we're now doing kindergarten through 12th grade. And we will be relocating to 801 South Glen Burnie Road. And the Small Business Center is helping us with that, because that's where I'm reaching back out to get some ideas as far as marketing, and to also help me to do nonprofit so that we can get more people involved. And I think it's a great move. It's bigger. The kids, we have more kids coming, even more, and we have more teachers. So we're really excited. Well, when I first started, some of the challenging was financing. You know, there's not a lot of grants out there for starting a business for profit. So that has been the biggest challenge. But a small business, they truly, let me say this, they really rocked, because in the classes that I took, and as far as helping me with my webpage and stuff like that, those things I wouldn't be able to do without a small business center. And hooray for a small business at Craven Community College.